Enjoy keeping running costs down but your standards high with the A energy rating of this washer dryer from Zanussi. The inverter motor has been designed with durability in mind, making doing laundry a simple task with reliable results. Now you can wash and dry large loads using less energy and with less noise. With the pre-wash function, the temperature and motion of the drum is automatically adjusted to suit the fabrics being cleaned. Enjoy optimal cleaning results every time with sparkling results. Quick Wash lets you wash a 30-kilogram load in just 30 minutes, allowing you to opt for faster results when you have a small load, ideal for when you need your favourite outfit cleaned in a hurry. Every garment is sure to come out as good as new with this washer dryer from Zanussi.